Right, guys, this is Lycanmotions, and right next to us is G-Man.
Hi guys, hope you're all well.
We're gonna do another video, as the BMW video did. As the BMW video is gonna come soon, or it may have came past. We decided to do another unboxed review. This time, one of our absolute favorite, Redline and late 64 diecast vehicles so far.
It's hard to get though.
One of the hardest to get too. Thanks to one of our friends that actually decided to hand it to us.
Yeah, man.
He's good. He's a very good supplier. And my supplier here, G-Man too, I'm buzzing. Well, it has to sometimes. I mean, every YouTuber needs a supplier.
Of course.
If they don't have suppliers, how are they going to supply? If they're low on budget, if they have budget treats, that's what suppliers are there for, isn't it? So anyway, I'm gonna do a review. Well, me and Jim are going to do an unboxed review of one of Hotwheels' so far greatest diecast vehicles yet.
Yeah, I agree with that as well. It is. Mattel's done a really good job with this one.
Yeah, Mattel did a brilliant job. Unlike GT, Shuko, their vehicles are really good. The Arturo was fantastic. The Mini GT Lance Stratos is just flipping gorgeous.
It is.
We've yet got one to do, but we're unboxing and releasing something really cool today because of the fact that we've got the vehicle and now we're going to unbox and review it. As this, it's been dropped from within, I guess, last Sunday. And it's an elite, most likely either an Elite 64 or a Redline Club vehicle. Most likely a Redline Club.
Let's have a look.
So it's time to have a look at what's inside that crate. This is going to be a really good crate too. Also, I'm going to need a high ground. I want to need a high ground for this one. This is the high. Does the high ground work? No, high ground's pretty shoddy. No, actually it works. So we are going to use the high ground for this one. As you know, we might have a bit of an issue with getting the car out. So here it is. Let's get it open. This is the 1994 Honda NSX. Now, we've seen many NSXs in the set. We've seen the first edition one, the absolute first edition, was made by the late Rio Hazard. The NSX GT3.
Mm-hmm.
That was from 1992, wasn't it? No, it was 1992.
Yeah, something like that.
As far as 1992, 1991 NSX race car, might be 95. They had a JGTC NSX, and also they had another NSX, old NSX that was used in Le Mans as well. That was one of the first iterations, and it had a plastic rear wing. It had a metal base before it had a plastic base, and it had a metal body. But that had ended production a long time ago, isn't it? Until then, around 2008. 2012. 2012. Somehow they lost, and that somehow they ended production. Then they brought out another NSX, which is the Rio Hazard NSX. One really cool Hotwheels car. We really liked it, but it was the NSX that really is cool.
Yeah, until this day, it's still a car everybody wants.
Yeah, until it became the car everybody is after.
Exactly.
They had Super Treasure Hunt variant.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they did. They had a Super Treasure Hunt variant, which was hard to get. I couldn't get it. And they had other NSX variants too. And now, as I'm saying today, the NSXs are starting becoming a lot less easier to spot now. They're all in 10 packs. And in mainline, they're very hard to find now.
Yeah.
So, whilst we got this NSX, there's two more as well. I need to mention three more? Yeah, three more. One was the NSX concept, which was quite a bizarre one, really. Yeah, the bizarre one. You know, the NSX concept, Riaz himself made. It it was quite an interesting NSX. But when we started looking at it, we started to see errors. We started to see headlights out of place. We started to get put off by the way it looks. The taillights weren't right. And I felt gutted. But when they brought out the next NSX, which is the NSX-R, same thing.
You got the Akura NSX.
Akura NSX, yeah. And the Akura NSX-R was actually a hit. People like that design. I've got the entire collection of NSXs. From the first edition all the way to the hybrid speed single, which the hybrid speed single may come soon. But now it's like we said, there's also another NSX coming soon, which is the NSX-R. You may see the NSX-R video. You know the white one? From one of the earliest ones that had over 7,500 views. There's another one coming in, and that's a black one. We couldn't get the black one because it had chrome wheels. And we wanted to get it. I wanted to get it, but we couldn't get it. We couldn't get it because it was during COVID-19. But when the one with the plastic wheels came out, we were gutted a bit, but at the same time, you know, what more could you want?
What the heck, eh?
Yeah, and then after that, they brought one of the absolute coolest NSXs out, which still we could not get, which was the NSX-R GD3. How many? There was only like 2 variations that came out. 3. Yeah, there was 2. Boulevard and the 2-pack.
Yeah. And NSX, there's a Fast and Furious.
Yeah, the Fast Furious. No, that's the NSX-R.
Oh, so the one on the white one, yeah, the white premium, is it pop culture?
No, that's the NSX-R.
The white one, is that the other one?
NSX hybrid, that one. Mm-hmm. So now we've got, after all those NSXs, we've got a 1994 here. And boy, I'm gonna tell you this. This is a reason why we're gonna keep the light. We're gonna be switching the lights off in our studio. Just watch what's gonna come out of this crate. I was gonna cut it over now. Because that's almost like close. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, look. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
yeah, yes, look at that. This one is a completely different variation of the NSX series. Unlike what you guys used to see, the NSX used to have headlights that are shut. Hotwheels recently did an NSX that had headlights that work. But that was the Azure NSX. That was on Redline Club. They're probably just best rename it now. But this NSX, of all the other Acuras, I like this. Personally, we like this. But the reason why we're not unboxing releasing it, because I'm not risking an accident outside. And when it comes to beautiful diecast vehicles, I tend to get into some bad luck.
Yeah, it's true.
I can tell you this. A pair of thugs on Mill Hill, when I was filming with the McLaren Speedtail. A crazed drunk, when I was filming with... What was it? I think it was a McLaren Artura, wasn't it?
Scooby.
Oh my god. The Scooby when it was windy out there. It was disaster. I was looking like an absolute donkey when that came out. We had to put it on the bloopers. Also the silver Porsche. Oh, I had to crash compilation. I felt so bad doing that. And there was also another one where I believe it was not Lance Stratos. It was a disastrous. Oh, it was a DeLorean Alpha 5. That one was disastrous as well. When the DeLorean fell off the barren into someone's garden, right into the pipe. It was a hole-in-one shot. No, it was a hole-in-one crash, actually. So that's why we decided to do the NSX in the house. Because if we didn't do that, it would just end in disaster. So, on the Tuesday, because Oh, it's always on a Tuesday. We're going to get this out of the case, and there it is. Would you look at that?
Wow.
Oh, it's fine. Well, it had an introduction.
Yeah.
Its introduction spin.
I want you to get out quickly.
Its introduction spoke for itself. The misfortunes have returned on Lycanmotions YouTube channel. That's probably going to be on the news outlet. First a BMW M3 during filming, whilst the screen crashed onto the table, and now the NSX decided to do a roll of honour.
Luckily, it was really hard.
Yeah, if it was in it was outside. Oh my gosh, it would be disaster right at the start. We're lucky it was in the house. I made a good decision. Now let's see what it looks like. Well, not from the high ground. What a beauty. It is filming. And here it is, the rear corner. It's a brilliant vehicle, this. But if you remember, unlike all the other Diecast vehicles, I remember the light up series from Major Air. They were cool. Flashing lights of cars, flashing lights of trucks and vans. They were beautiful, yeah. But they're brilliant. But now, we're gonna show you its parts piece. G-Man, switch off the studio lights.
Let's go.
Okay. Studio lights are off. What about the spotlights?
I'll take them off as well.
Yeah. And we are gonna put the building to complete darkness. And there's a reason, because this has a magic trick. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oi, oi, oi. It's a traffic car. Look at that. Dude. Yeah. Hot Wheels, do more of these. Mattel, I don't care if you're on a budget. I don't care if you're just gonna make 1, 2, 3. Make more of these. Just make them. It's just amazing. And now, it's an amazing looking vehicle, this. Look at the night shot on that. Now, G-Man, on the lights. We need another one.
Yeah, we do.
Oh boy. Hot Wheels, if you're ever going to make another one, and you're going to keep it in blue, black, light and this, please do. Absolutely. Just fantastic. And also, they did the mid-mirrors too. You've got inspiration from my work as well, Hot Wheels. You've added wing mirrors. That's good. Lycanmotions finally influenced them. And the lights switched off on their own.
Yeah, it's got timer.
It's got timer, that's good. At least it doesn't overheat or run out of battery. Doesn't have a battery hold if it needs a battery change. Oh no, it doesn't. It's got charger, that's good. Chargeable batteries. So that's the NSX. What's your thoughts on this, G-Man?
It's just brilliant, isn't it? It's just amazing little lights and detailing. Just makes the car for what it is, because it's an NSX. It's an old beauty. They don't make them anymore, and by them putting lights and stuff like that on the car, it's just unbelievable, isn't it? It's unbelievable the way
And the lights too.
Yeah.
Switching the lights off in the house was my dream idea when it comes to Hot Wheels cars like this. When I looked at the NSX on my creations, we made a promise to switch the lights off in the house just to show you how beautiful this car is.
Exactly.
And Oh my gosh, man. This is the reason why. This is the inspiration to some of my Hot Wheels cars when I detail the headlights. This is clearly the inspiration. When the headlights are on like this, oh, I like it. I really do like it. And the car's brilliant. And I've run out of things to say.
It speaks for itself, and it? The sheer beautiness just speaks for itself.
Yeah, it speaks for itself. Mattel Creations. Build more. Just build more of these Hot Wheels cars with these kind of lights. If you guys can. If you guys are on a budget, that's fine. But just make these headlights run like these cars. Do it on the G-Wagon if you can. Do it on the on any diecast vehicles that are...
X9.
Or on the Porsches too. Do like this. You did it on the NSX, guys. Hot Wheels, you did it on the NSX. You can do it on cars like the Porsche 911 series cars. You can do it on Mercedes G-Wagon cars.
Really?
You can do it on, well, Mitsubishi. You can do it on custom Subaru body vehicles.
Exactly.
But it's two headlights, so you can do it on the Nissan series cars. You can do it on the Mercedes series cars. You can do it on nearly on any car that you want.
Mm-hmm.
Hot Wheels and...
It's unique then.
Yeah.
This is a unique car.
Hot Wheels and Mattel Creations. But I've run out of things to say.
Yeah,
I'm going to have to end it here because I've literally run out of things to say. This is Lycanmotions signing off. I'm speechless.
Absolutely.
And G-Man is speechless too.
What a machine.
So, completely baffled and
bamboozled, isn't it?
Just astonished by the beauty of this car. We have to end the video. So, I hope you like, subscribe, bell, comment down below for more content. Stay tuned because we have another NSX coming or another Japanese beauty coming in.
With some lights as well.
Yeah. So, thank you. And this is G-Man next to us.
Take care, everybody. All the best, guys.
Ah, humans. So you like switching lights on and off, do you?
And, whoa, what's going on here? Something must have gone on.
No greetings? Honestly, you humans are stubborn. Can't let your guest in for 1 minute inside, do you?
I think something is just doing that. Oh, this is not good.
The look on your faces. It's hilarious how you look at me that way.
Oh, oh, the retail's here.
Uh-oh.
Yes, I guess watching. I think she's on the way down.